Ever wake up to the sound of birds singing? That's the start of their busy day. From the deep forests to our bustling cities, birds are incredible architects, building cozy nests to keep their families safe. It's like their very own tiny, feathered fortress. Depending on the bird, their breakfast menu is quite diverse. Some love munching on seeds and fruit, while others are expert insect hunters. After the female lays her eggs, it's all hands or wings on deck. Both parents work together, feeding and protecting their chicks until they're strong enough to take their first flight. Speaking of flight, it's not just for getting around. It's their superpower for escaping danger and exploring the world from above. So next time you see a bird soaring, remember the amazing life it leads. Thanks for watching. If you love learning about wildlife, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.